Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with the essentials, tools, and careful work. Remove the batteries and unscrew the 6 Torx screws. Keep them organized by location so reassembly is easy. Pry the seam with a spudger and ease the rear shell off. Once done, locate and gently disconnect the ribbon cable so you don't stress the connector. Make sure you're working on a clean, static-free surface. This prevents debris getting into the bumper mechanism and damaging delicate contacts. Once open, remove the screws securing the bumper assembly and lift it out so you can inspect the arm, spring, and micro-switch area. You want to understand why the bumper fails. A worn switch, broken plastic clip, or dirt can cause it. Clean the contact pads and switch with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and blow out dust with compressed air. If the micro-switch is physically damaged, plan to replace or resolder it. Replacing clips or adding a tiny shim can restore alignment and feel. You now make the fix permanent. Swap in a known good micro-switch or repair broken plastic with a small dab of epoxy, allowing full cure before reassembly. Reinstall the bumper assembly, seat springs and clips properly, reconnect the ribbon cable, and close the shell, tightening screws evenly so nothing binds. Insert batteries and test inputs in the Xbox Accessories app. If you see double presses or unresponsive action, reopen and recheck switch alignment or reflow the solder joints. That troubleshooting step usually resolves persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.